let's move on. All right, let's continue with Gloria. So it looks like Gloria is a first-time home buyer. Her time frame is essentially now, in the next month.
Hello?
Oh, hi, is this Gloria?
Who's calling?
Gloria, this is Alan calling you from Best Homes Real Estate and Valley Home Search. How are you today?
I'm pretty good, and yourself?
Very well. Hey, listen, thanks so much for joining our website. I see you joined our website last night, and it looks like you're looking in Phoenix, correct?
Correct.
Awesome. Can you tell me a little bit more about your plans?
Well, basically, I'm in a home right now, and it's not a very good home. It's a two-bedroom home, and it's built way back then. And,
okay.
It's right here on 24th Street in Winston. That's up road.
Yeah.
And I was thinking of selling it and getting into a bigger home. So I have 4 kids.
Oh.
Something like a 5-bedroom home.
Yeah.
And use maybe what I sell my house for, use it as down payment. Now this is the very first time I even think about doing a home. I'm 47 years old, and I had no idea whatsoever what I'm doing. My mom was usually the one who took care of everything for us, and she passed away a couple of years ago. So I'm really lost, and it's hard for me who to depend on to tell me the right thing to do, not just for you guys to make money. I really need someone who's gonna help me through it, and not at the end say, oh, all these forms cost this and that. I know forms cost. I just want to know up front what's going to happen.
Yeah.
I'm scared to take the step, but I'm going to take it because I need to. We can't live in here no more. But basically, that's
that makes a lot of sense. So your current home that you own on Winston, right? How long have you been an owner of that home?
I would probably say probably like 3 years, around there. I believe. My mom got cancer, and so she put the house in my name. I rented it. I've had it for almost 15 years, though.
Got it.
The address is SRP and all that is under my name.
So the house is under your name, right?
Correct.
Got it.
Yeah.
So right now you got 5 kids, right? And you have a 2-bedroom. Essentially, you're kind of like bursting at the seams. You need more room. You need more
Correct.
bedrooms. Got it. Are you still looking to buy in Phoenix, Gloria? Or are you open to other cities around town?
Yes, I want to stay in Phoenix area. My kids go to Kyrene District, so that's kind of want to stay in Lomas and Mount Point High School.
Gotcha.
So I really want to go in those schools too.
So you still want them to go to that school, correct?
It could be. I can drive to the school. I just want to make sure that they're able to stay in the school.
Able to stay in school. Gotcha.
Yeah, right.
Gotcha. All right.
Like if I get something out in the avenue, Levine, I'll drive them to school if I have to. I don't mind that. I just want to make sure they stay in the school since they're online anyways. It's a big change, and then to change from schools, I don't think they'd be good with it.
Yeah. No, that makes a lot of sense. And Gloria, what is your time frame? If let's say you were to move to your next home, obviously you want to sell your existing property, right? That's the plan. So what is your time frame? Do you want to start doing this in the next 30 to 60 days? More like 3-4 months from now? What's your timeline?
I'm cleaning my backyard because where we lived before when my mom passed away, I didn't know she had a lien on the house, and so I lost the house in a foreclosure.
Oh wow!
And that's why we moved over here. So a lot of that stuff I wasn't ready to get rid of if my mom passed, and I had to move out within 2 weeks. So I kind of just brought all my junk to this house. It's down the street, but I had it packed in the back. City of Phoenix came and gave me trouble about it. They had to come and clean it, so they put $6,000. I had to pay them $6,000 for cleaning it.
Wow.
So I believe they put a lien on my house for that. But I spoke to them. They told me I can sell it, but the money will go to them first. The $6,000, whatever I owe.
Okay.
What was your question? I'm sorry.
No. I asked about the time frame.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, the time frame. As soon as I clean my backyard, I don't know if I should even paint the house and fix it up because some flipper will probably buy it where I'm located at, I would think.
Okay.
So I'm not sure, but as soon as I clean my backyard, I'm ready, ASAP.
I see. I see. I see. So as soon as you clean your backyard, and you probably need some assistance in terms of kind of like suggesting or advising you on things to do around the house to get the top
Correct.
dollar. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Do you work from home, or do you go to the office? Or how's your schedule like? Sometime next week, early next week.
I can be open at any time to be available for you.
Okay.
Whatever.
Okay. Awesome. Let me take a look at my schedule, Gloria.
Okay.
All right. How's your availability like tomorrow?
Next week would be better. Just to give you time to finish it, but I want to finish it that way when you come. If there's anything I need to move out or change, I can do that.
Got it. Okay, let me take a look at my calendar. So
Okay.
why don't we then shoot for next week on Wednesday? Would that work for you?
That'll be perfect. Yes.
Okay. Would mornings or afternoons work for you better, Gloria?
Mornings. I think maybe like 11ish.
About 11 o'clock.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
11 o'clock. All right. And what's your address?
Hold on. Okay, 11. It's 20. Correct.
Okay. Awesome. Very good. And I see your email address right here, Gloria. At gmail.com.
Correct.
Awesome. All right, great. My name is Alan. Okay. I will send you my contact information, and my partner and I are looking forward to meeting you next week on Wednesday at 11 o'clock. Okay.
Okay, sounds perfect. Thank you for calling, Ellen.
All right. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.